In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. The world of work is changing faster than ever before. For decades, people believed the safest path to success was a traditional 9-to-5 job. Go to school, get a degree, work for one company, and slowly climb the ladder. But today, a completely different model is emerging globally. Micro-niche freelancing. Instead of trying to be good at everything, people are becoming highly specialized in one small but valuable skill. Not just graphic design, but YouTube thumbnail design for finance creators. Not just marketing, but short-form ad strategy for e-commerce brands. This shift toward micro-specialization is creating massive opportunities in the digital economy. Why? Because businesses no longer want generic services. They want experts who deeply understand their exact problems. And thanks to the internet, skilled freelancers are no longer limited by geography. Someone working from a small town can now serve clients globally, build a powerful online reputation, and create income streams that were impossible just a few years ago. This is one reason traditional career paths are losing their dominance. Many people are realizing that job security is no longer guaranteed. Companies restructure, industries change, artificial intelligence automates repetitive tasks, but specialized knowledge remains valuable. Micro-niche freelancers often earn more because they position themselves as problem solvers instead of general workers. And when you become known for solving one specific problem exceptionally well, clients are willing to pay premium prices. Another major advantage is freedom. Choose their clients, work remotely, and scale their income based on skill and systems rather than fixed salaries. Of course, freelancing also requires discipline, consistency, and continuous learning. It is not instant success, but the global economy is clearly shifting towards specialization, digital services, and independent work. So the question is no longer, is freelancing the future? The real question is, will you stay replaceable? Or will you develop a specialized skill the market cannot easily ignore? Because in the modern digital economy, those who become highly valuable in a specific niche often gain more freedom, more income, and more control over their future than traditional career paths ever offered.